Today we will back up this website. How to? So why we need backup and restore for our WordPress website? What is the benefit and what is the reason? So many reasons available here. First, sometime website hacked. Hackers do website hack. That's why we need website restore and backup. Number 2, server issues. Then site broken after making change. Last one, issue with plugins and themes. Sometimes we need, so at first log into your WordPress admin dashboard. I'm clicking on dashboard, then click on plugin, then add new. In this search bar, type plugin name Updraft Plus. Our plugin is appear Updraft. Then click on install. Installing. Now showing active. Just click on active. So click on press here to start. They are showing, then click on next if you want to backup. So here are dialog box showing two option showing, and finally number 3, just take this box, then click on OK. A manual backup is created successfully. They are showing a message. Our backup is created. So here they are showing existing backup. Here some option. Step number 2, how to restore our website. So if any data we lose, how to we restore it? For example, we are going to a post. Just I am deleting this post to show you. So now going to website, look, our post is deleted. So how we will bring it again? Click on plugin and Updraft. Click on settings. Click on settings. Here 3 option: restore, delete, view login. Last logging message showing here. So click on restore. Here they are showing what type of item do you want to back. So I am click on checkbox. Then click on next. Then click on restore. Restoring, just click on return to the update file. Restore configuration. Our restore is successful. So click here. It will bring us in dashboard. So we will visit our website, refresh the website. Now look, our post is come back again. So step number 3, how to automatic backups or schedule backup. Now we will create a automatic backup. So click on settings. Files backup schedules. Here showing 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month and 1 year. Every day it will be backup 2 times. Here times showing 7 times. Also database backup, how many? I select 7. So 1 backup daily and restain last 7 backup. This depends upon your personal preferences and your comments. So here how to select cloud storage. Now today I will select Google Drive. You can select any one. After plus Microsoft. Today I will use Google Drive. So I am clicking Google Drive. You can send a backup to remove storage. Store backup to multiple cloud storage for extra safety is depends up to you. So if you want to restore double both, you can do it, no problem. But today I will show you just one, only Google Drive. Google Drive gives you 15 GB space. So put a folder name and by default leave it. All settings I am leaving by default. Email, just confirm your email. After that click on save change. Follow this link to authorize access to your Google Drive account. It will not be able. Just click here. Then put your email address, password. Then select the account. Then click here. Then click allow. Then click complete setup. they are showing this message. Click on complete setup. So our cloud storage setup is ready. They are showing a message success here. So remote storage is set up. They are showing history of this backup. If you select same setting as shown, this video will manually store backup to the cloud. Click on backup, then just uncheck this box, send the backup to a remote store. That's it. It will back up your data manually. So guys, if you have any question, how many backup is done, just showing here. If you have any question about this blog, leave us comments in the comment section. Like our video, share with your friends, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button for the next update. Thanks for watching.